Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we'll create a camera tile-up animation in order to use in our transition later on. Then I'll show you how you can add as many photo slides as you want easily and quickly without repeating this whole process again from scratch. Okay, so first thing is to create the camera tile-up. And in order to do this, we have to add a little camera animation in the end here. Let's say that right in the end, our camera will be tiled up. So let's move our time indicator to 5 seconds and 12 frames. And now let's set a keyframe for the X rotation. Now let's move forward to 6 seconds. And tile the camera up to say 25 degrees. Now select the keyframes and add Easy Ease. And you will see why we have created this keyframe later on when creating our transition between two scenes. Now I'll show you how to create as many slides as you want easy and quickly. I'll create a second scene here. First thing, let's duplicate this scene, scene 1. So let's select this scene here, scene 1, and press Ctrl or Command D to create a duplicate. Now we enter this scene by double-clicking, and I want to create a duplicate of my pre-composition as well. So let's select our pre-composition here and press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate it. And now let's replace this one here inside scene number 2. So select our pre-composition one here and then drag the new one down over the old one while holding Alt key. Then release the mouse, and now I replace the old composition with the new one. Now let's enter the new footage pre-composition by double-clicking on it. And I also want to create another footage here, of course. So let's duplicate our footage 1. Select it and press Ctrl or Command D. Then select all these layers here, all those footage layers. Then drag footage 2 down while holding Alt key. Then release to replace them all. What we can do now is that we can import a new image. So double-click on the project panel. And for now, I'll take this image here, import this one. And now let's open up our footage 2 composition by double-clicking and drag this image in here. Delete the other one, then scale the new one down. Okay, now if we go to scene 2 composition, you see that we have a new scene with a new footage and also with a nice parallax effect. So as you can see here, using the same way, you can add up as many scenes as you want into your Parallax Slideshow quickly and easily without doing all this process again from scratch. Great! So far so good. In the next lecture, we'll create our transition matte in order to use it as a nice transition between these two scenes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next lecture.